Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. This is Tariq. Today I am going to teach you Learn Urdu Alphabets Part 2. In my previous lesson, I taught you 12 Urdu alphabets. Now I'm going to teach you 12 alphabets because there are 36 alphabets, so I divided into three parts. In first part I taught you 12 alphabets, and now I'm going to teach you 12 or 13 alphabets. So let us start our lesson. Look at the screen. Zal. How to pronounce in Urdu? Zal. It's Urdu alphabets. Zal, Zal, Zal. Repeat after me. Zal. I know it's really difficult, but try it. Zal, 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 Zal. Okay. Now next. Re, Re. Re, 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 Re. Repeat after me. Re, Re, Re. Next. Re, Re, Re. Re. It's really hard to pronounce, I know, but you have to try. Re. Because I will show my mouth, inshallah, as soon as possible. I will record live videos for you to learn Urdu alphabets. I will not finish in only three videos. I will make 6 or 7 videos only for alphabets to remember and to learn only Urdu alphabets. I will teach you 6 or 7 videos. I will make 7 videos or 6 videos for only Urdu alphabets. So how to pronounce this word? Re, Re. Look at this word carefully. Re, Re, Re. Do not worry, watch this video again and again and you will learn. Okay. Re, Re, Re. Z, 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 Z. Don't say Z. No, no, no. It's not Z. Z. Okay. Z, Z, Z. Repeat after me. Z, Z, Z. J, J. It's J. Let me tell you one thing about this alphabet. Mostly Pakistani and Urdu speaker pronounce this word incorrectly. Even when I was child and I was young, I pronounce incorrectly. Do you believe this? I speak Urdu. I'm a native speaker, but I mispronounce this word because many people pronounce this word like say, but it is not say. It's z, z, z. Do you know television? J, J. Some people say J, J. But the correct pronunciation is J, J. But you know television, Jen, J. It's J. But some people say J, J, J. So it's not a big deal, but you have to remember J, J. Shun. Do you know shun? S-I-U-N. Shun. Television. Jen. That's the pronunciation of this word. J, J. J. Okay, so I hope this word is really difficult, but some people say, so do not worry about this, because they don't know about the correct pronunciation. Even I didn't know about this, but the actual Urdu speakers and masters know about this, the correct pronunciation of this word, because we just speak, we do not learn the basics. We never learn the basics, so we say alif be te say de, like this, but we we don't know the correct pronunciation of this word. Believe me, if you ask some Pakistani, any Pakistani, ask this word, please pronounce this word, so they will pronounce like say, but it's not say. Okay, G, J, J. Some people say J, and some people say J, J, J. Okay, so I hope you understand this. But it's really hard to pronounce, but you have to understand. And I will not finish this video. I will repeat these words again and again in my each lesson, so you will not to worry about this, because today is the first day, second day, because you are learning Urdu alphabets. So I'm telling the fact, people, what people say, and what how to pronounce people say, how to pronounce people, but you do not worry about this. Let's see next. Look at this word, seen, 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 seen. Before we learn seen without three dot, now we just the same word, we are adding three dots, yeah, 3 points. So it's sheen. Before the word seen, now sheen, it's sheen. How to pronounce this word? Sheen, sheen, sheen. There are 3 points. Remember this thing. Before the word, the same shape, but there is no any points or dot. So, but here is the 3 dots. So we say sheen, sheen. Repeat after me. Sheen, sheen, sheen. Next one, swad, 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 swad. Repeat after me. Swad, 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 swad. Now the same word is, but only one difference. There is 1 point. Only we add 1 point. There is a similar shape. It's swad, and now it's duad, 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 duad. Some people say zoad. Okay, so not to worry, both are acceptable. Zoad and duad, both are correct. Some people say zoad, and some people say duad. So it's not about the correct pronunciation. It's about the native. Some people say in other province, people say zoad, and but we say zoad, and people say duad. So, but because it is similar with the Arabic, so that's the reason we some people we pronounce like Arabic. Okay, so Zuad. How to pronounce this word? Zuad, Zuad, Zuad. If you feel difficulty about this word, so you can say Duad. Okay, but you have to remember one. Okay, Duad. Repeat after me. Duad. Is it okay, or other is okay? Because Duad, Zuad, but here is swad. Don't mix. Okay, it's swad, it's zoad or duad. Okay, Do you know dal? We learned before duad. So we pronounce like dal. Okay, so Zwad, but you have to learn Zwad. It's okay for Zwad. Okay. Toy, Toy. Do you know my name start from this alphabet? Tariq. You say Tariq, but it's Tariq. It's Toy, Toy. To, 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 Rick. So Tariq. It's To, To, To. Some people say Toy. It's okay. Toy, Toy, Toy. The correct pronunciation is Toy. How to pronounce? Toy, 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 Toy. Now the similar word and similar shape, but the one point on this word, now it is called Zoe, 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 Zoe. Okay? Zoe, Zoe, Toy, Zoe. Okay? Now I'm going to repeat from the start. Aleph, Be, Te, Say, like this. I will start one by one and you have to just, I will repeat 2 times only. You have to listen carefully. Okay, one by one I will repeat 2 times. Each word I will repeat 2 times. You have to listen and repeat. Okay, so let's start. Aleph, Aleph, Aleph. Be, Be, Be. Pay, Pay, Pay. Te, Te, Te. Te, Te, Te. Say, Say, Say. Jim, Jim, Jim. Che, Che, Che. Hey, you say hey. In English, hey, how are you today? So it's hey. Okay, hey, Hey, hey. You can say hey. Okay, but do not stress. Okay, hey, simple, hey. Okay, hey, 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 hey. Dal, 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 Dal. Zal, 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 Zal. Re, Re, Re. Re, 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 Re. Z, Z, Z. J, 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 J. Sin, Sin, Sin. Sheen, 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 sword, 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 zwad, zwad, and another way to say dwad, dwad. You have to learn one only. If you feel easy zwad, so you say zwad. If you say easily dwad, so you say dwad. Okay. Toy, 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 zoe, zoe, zoe. New latest version Johnny Johnny Yes Papa for employee or for all ages. आपने बचपन में जॉनी जॉनी यस पापा सुनी होगी. आज हम उसका लेटेस्ट वर्जन सुनेंगे जो मुलाजमीन और तमाम उम्र के लोगों के लिए है. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट आई रीड देन आई विल ट्रांसलेट. ओके, पहले मैं पढ़ूंगा फिर ट्रांसलेट करूंगा. Johnny, Johnny, yes papa. Gulf job, yes papa. Lot of tension, yes papa. Too much work, yes papa. Family life, no papa. BP sugar, hi papa. Yearly bonus, joke papa. Yearly bonus, joke papa. Monthly pay, low papa. Personal life, lost papa. Weekly off, ha ha ha. So let us start translate in Urdu. Listen carefully. Johnny, Johnny, yes papa. बाप बच्चे को कह रहा है जॉनी जॉनी. जॉनी जॉनी नाम है बच्चे का, लड़के का. यानी अब ये तमाम एजेस के लिए तो ये बड़े, क्योंकि देख ले आप पिक्चर्स में सारे बड़े हैं. जॉनी जॉनी यस पापा. जॉनी जॉनी जी पापा. गल्फ जॉब यस पापा. बाहर मुल्क जॉब चाहिए जी पापा. कहाँ जॉब करनी है? गल्फ में जॉब करनी है, पाकिस्तान में जॉब नहीं करनी. हमने अमेरिका में जॉब करनी है, पाकिस्तान में जॉब नहीं करनी. तो इसलिए कहा जाता है गल्फ जॉब यस पापा. यानी बाहर जॉब करनी है, हाँ पापा जी पापा. लॉट ऑफ टेंशन, लॉट ऑफ टेंशन यस पापा. बहुत सारी परेशानियाँ और मुसीबतें हैं जी पापा. टू मच वर्क यस पापा. बहुत सारा काम है क्या जी पापा. बहुत काम है. फैमिली लाइफ, शादी करोगे, फैमिली बनाओगे. नो पापा, नहीं जी, नहीं पापा. हमने अभी तो हम बच्चे हैं, अभी तो हम जवान हैं, अभी तक कमाना, अभी शादी और बच्चे कहाँ. बीपी शुगर हाई पापा. बीपी और शुगर दोनों हाई. ईयरली बोनस जोक पापा. सालाना बोनस मजाक है पापा. मंथली पे लो पापा. मंथली सैलरी जो है, पर मंथ उजरत जो है, पर मंथ वेजेस जो है, पर मंथ सैलरी जो है वो बहुत कम है पापा. पर्सनल लाइफ लॉस्ट पापा. ज़ाती ज़िंदगी ख़त्म हो गई पापा. अब बस सुबह से लेकर रात तक काम ही काम है पापा. वीकली ऑफ, हा हा हा. एक छुट्टी की कीमत तुम क्या जानो. So hope you enjoy. Allah Hafiz. See you next time. Take care. Take care you and your family. Take care your parents and pray for your parents. Pray for my parents. Allah Hafiz. Take care yourself.